My grandmother.
Wait, is this the one?
Could be, right? Could be. But my grandma, she actually sat down with me. I was maybe about 4 or 5. And this grandma would sing it often to my ears. And I used to make fun of it. I used to make fun, but not anymore. So this is how it would sound. The title of the melody is called Kealoha.
Is this Kealoha? No, is this the one you did? Okay.
And this is how Grandma used to sound. Makuupoli mai oe e kuipo aloha ela ona ona ko no ke ano ai. She had like a falsetto that was delayed. Yeah, that was Grandma. And then my mom took over. Mamulia okone umangea kino e panupamu mai o ikahana Kealoha. That's more my mom's style. And then I learned something else. Oh boy, just messed up the words. Haina mai kapuana e kuipo Kealaona ona ko no ke anoa the song of traditional generation.
Yeah, that song is so dope.